Click on the link Entities. Click on the button, Add Organization. Add organization name. Add address line 1. Add city name. Add state/province. Add postal/zip code. Select the organization's country. Click on the link Continue. Add the email address for correspondence. Add master account name. Select currency type. Select payment agreement. Select Stratos Marketplace. Click on the link Continue. You'll now get all of the organization's information as a summary. Review and verify the information. Click on Save.